Hey everybody, and welcome. Today we are here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, bringing you guys to a restaurant that we've actually taken you guys to before. However, the last time that we were here, we thought we were coming for lunch, and it turned out that they were serving breakfast until 2 o'clock. We had a great meal for breakfast here, but today we're definitely here for dinner. It's 6 o'clock in the evening, so I think it's safe to say they're not serving breakfast. So today, we're taking you guys along with us to
Mama's Farmhouse.
So here is the menu for this evening. There's, of course, fried chicken every night. We've got honey baked ham, country fried steak. There you can see mashed potatoes, green beans, mac and cheese, fried okra, banana pudding for dessert, apple crunch, as well as peach cobbler. There's even chocolate chip cookies, biscuits, and strawberry butter. Adults are $23.99. Kids 6 through 10 years old are $9.99. And kids 5 and under are free. And here are the beverage prices. And check this out, guys. It's an old milk can that they've repurposed with a little image on here, some wild turkeys. And I do want to point out that depending on which day of the week you come here, the meats may change from day to day. So here you can see the weekly menu. We are here on a Monday, so they have fried chicken, country fried steak, and ham today. And it looks like we picked 4 of the sides. They have chicken and dumplings, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, fried okra, coleslaw, broccoli casserole, sweet potato casserole, cream corn, and green beans. And to start off here on our Lazy Susan, we've got some strawberry butter. It looks a little bit different than at Patty's 1880 settlement, but that's what they call it. We have some fresh biscuits, and over here we've got some calico salad. Now, Jennifer, I just tried some of the calico salad. What do you think about it?
It's so good. I love cucumbers. It's one of mine and Henry's favorite vegetables. I love all these others as well. And red onions are my favorite onion. But anyway, this is kind of similar to like an Italian pasta salad, but this one I can taste it has apple cider vinegar and black pepper in there, and it's so good.
It's very good. Now, Gentry, you didn't opt for the strawberry butter. You just like the biscuit. How's the biscuit?
Pretty good, but it doesn't beat Cracker Barrel's.
You like Cracker Barrels a little more? All right, Gentry's going to move the Lazy Susan here, but I'm going to show you guys what we have. We've got broccoli casserole, macaroni. Over here, we've got some ham. Moving it along here. This is what we've got at the beginning. Right here is the country fried steak. Love that brown gravy on top. And over here, we've got the Mama's fried chicken. And there's some chicken tenders on top for the boys. Some good old green beans and mashed potatoes. All right, Jennifer, what are you gonna dig into first there?
Broccoli cheese casserole. Looks so cheesy, and it looks like there's some Ritz crackers maybe and butter on there. It's so delicious. It tastes just like something that one of my aunts used to make all the time at our family functions. Love it.
I'm gonna start off here with the mashed potatoes. I've already dug into a little bit of that chicken, but I'll talk about that here in a second. So you can see they leave a little bit of the skin on there. So good. Now, there's no lumps in them, but that's okay. There's a lot of butter, just a perfect amount of milk, and I love the skins on there. Very delicious.
So I'm going to try the country fried steak, but just wanted to kind of show you. It's got gravy all over it and a good looking batter there. It's really tasty. It's not too salty or anything, and got a good crunch on the outside. The steak is moist and tender, perfectly seasoned, and that gravy's really delicious too. This is something that both kids and adults can enjoy.
All right, now I'm going to go in for the chicken. It's got the perfect crisp. It is a good fried chicken. So good. Tender. The seasoning is excellent. This is a sister restaurant to Mama's Chicken Kitchen over in Gatlinburg. So it's a very similar chicken. It's almost identical, actually. And that's some of our favorite fried chicken here in the Smokies. Definitely recommend coming here and getting that chicken. Of course, they serve it every day. So you will get it if you come here to Mama's Farmhouse.
So here's what the green beans look like. Seasoned with onion and looks like maybe some pork in there, like some bacon. I love those as well. Those are so savory, and the broth that they're in just is perfect, and they're tender, not mushy. Great.
Although you get 4 sides, once you have finished one of your sides, you can sub it out for one of the other sides. So we got some sweet potato casserole here, and Gentry's loving the ham, so we got some more ham. First bite of the sweet potato casserole. I can smell that cinnamon from here. Here we go. So it has a candy topping on here that's brown sugar based. At first I thought it was pecan, but it's actually just the brown sugar base, and it's crunchy, it's good, and if you love sweet potato casserole, this is an excellent topping. Some people like marshmallows on top, some people like candied nuts. I like this. All right, Gentry, what'd you get for your dessert there?
I got the chocolate chip cookies.
And you get 2 of them. Look at those big chocolate chunks on there. And Henry got the same thing. He was just about to sleep on the chair. I think he's going to fall asleep before we make it out of here. And Jennifer, what did you get?
I got the apple crisp, and it comes with vanilla bean ice cream. You can even see the vanilla in there.
And I got the same exact thing, because when it comes to apple pie and apples and apple desserts, you can't go wrong. That was Mama's Farmhouse. Henry, what were your favorite things here at Mama's Farmhouse?
Usually I like the playground. I usually just want to play on it so bad.
Okay, well, we'll go play on it before we leave. What about the food?
It was good. And I liked it. And I also liked that.
All right. And Gentry.
I think I overdid myself with that food because I love that ham, and the chocolate chip cookie was a bonus to it.
There you go.
I'll definitely come here once again.
All right. And Jennifer.
It was so good. You can definitely come with your appetite when you come here. I could have made a meal out of just the vegetables alone and the biscuits. They're plenty hearty enough and everything, but everything was excellent. Sweet tea alert here. Definitely, I don't know, like they've been on their A game out here in the mountains lately on the sweet tea. So this is another one, and it goes well with the fried chicken and all the home cooked sides and everything. But broccoli cheese casserole, that was one of my favorites, and the sweet potato casserole and the mashed potatoes.
So before I talk about my 3 favorite things, I want to talk about that apple crisp. There was no skin on the apples. That's a plus already in my book. And it was so delicious. That is the same apple crisp that we had here for breakfast the last time that we were here. Of course, they add the vanilla bean ice cream with it. An excellent ending to a wonderful meal. If I were to pick 3 of my favorites, first and foremost, everything was great. But my 3rd favorite, if I had to narrow it down to just 3, my 3rd favorite was the broccoli casserole. And then in 2nd place, mashed potatoes, and then of course we're here for the chicken. That chicken is so delicious. I feel that Mama's Chicken Kitchen has a slight edge, even though it's the exact same chicken, and maybe it's just the time of the day that we have gone to Mama's Chicken Kitchen, but I feel that it's just a little bit better. But nonetheless, I mean, this is some outstanding chicken. It's seasoned just properly and so well, and of course that breading is just outstanding. But guys, we thank you so much for joining us here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at Mama's Farmhouse, and we sure to look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.
Subscribe. I like this.